To count the occurrences for each number, use a for of loop to iterate through every element of the array. So for of loop and a variable and then of and then collection. Iterate through every element of the array. So the collection would be the array, and then the name for the for of loop should be called as num. So the variable should be num, correct? Therefore we use const. Well, in my case const because I want it to be consistent, and it is used because it's for less errors because it is consistent. Variable num, and then the collection would be the R. Actually, the collection would be the iteratable objects in JavaScript, such as lists, array, what else? Objects and as such. And what JavaScript does is that it will loop through the element called num, which is inside the collection array. This num will be the current element to be iterated inside the collection, which is the R. And I think this is an array, just a variable called or element called as R. And that would be it. Nice.